Sweet Java of mine, you are amazing! You and I are gonna dance together for the rest of our life, but don't tell anyone. What's that? I love you too. What's going on, everyone? Here we are in the Ballroom Mastery, previously Man Den. You can see my beloved white couch, our white couch, my wife and I's favorite spot to cuddle on a weekend is now gone. Why? This is how committed I am to you. I bring out my couch to the middle of nowhere. Some call it Mordor. Some call it the end of the earth. Either way, you can see it from here. What is this? This is what people think Australia is like. We do have modern sewage, I promise. But when in doubt, this is what we use our eucalypt trees for. This is Bronwyn. Say hey, Bronwyn.
Hey!
Bye-bye! But it's for the greater good, so you and I can have a dance together. We're converting this space into the Ballroom Mastery super powerhouse, so let's get to it. Sweet Java of mine, you are amazing! Anyways, thank you for coming into my home. My man den is now converted. Sacrifices must be made. With great sacrifice comes great opportunity. So I invite you into my home, into my new space for the Ballroom Mastery videos each and every other week, where you and I can have a dance so we can master our ballroom or Latin dancing together. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Love to have you on board. Thank you very much, and visit ballroommastery.com for any other training. This is Vaughan. Thank you.